Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G mobile phone. At first, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a pick or car pry tool. Gently work the tool along the edges to release the plastic clips holding the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, remove the logic board cover by unscrewing the 7 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and remove the fingerprint bracket. And then disconnect the fingerprint connector. You can now separate the back cover from the phone's body.